We're here at Collegetown Plaza to take a look at studio apartment 6K. Let's go on in. The kitchen is on the left in this style of apartment. The K and also the I apartments have the kitchen on the left side. The kitchen will have that refrigerator, there's the microwave, the stove, there's the sink, and cabinets and drawers. We'll take a look into the bathroom. The bathroom is always the same here in Collegetown Plaza. So as we go on in, you can see there's the tub shower, the vanity, and the toilet. And there's a medicine cabinet on the wall as well. As we'll go into the apartment, let's go on in. So you can see over here on the left, we've got the dining table and chair. There's the nice tall bookshelf, the desk and chair. We've got the window. We'll come take a look outside the window in a sec. Here's the full-size bed. The dresser is over here, and we have the closet as well. We'll get that open so you can see in the closet. So some good storage space for you. Let's go take a look out the window. So we're on floor 6 of this 9-floor building. So we're starting to be a little higher up, and you can see we've got some really pretty views to the west, some valley views. So that's a look at Collegetown Plaza. We're in a studio apartment. These studios are all the same size. The difference will be what floor you're on, what you'll see out the window. We're here on floor 6. This style of apartment is available on floor 2 through 9 in Collegetown Plaza, 111 Dryden Road, and we're just one block from campus here in the heart of Collegetown.